Do you often feel overwhelmed, like your heart is racing and your thoughts won't slow down? Anxiety can grip us at the most inconvenient moments. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural tool that you carry with you all the time to calm your mind and body? Yes, your breath. In this video, we'll explore scientifically proven breathing techniques to reduce anxiety and bring instant calmness to your life. Let's dive in. Why breathing matters. Before we dive into the techniques, let's talk about why breathing is so powerful. When you're anxious, your body enters a fight or flight mode. Your heart rate increases, your muscles tense up, and your breathing becomes shallow. This is your body's natural response to stress. But here's the magic. By consciously controlling your breath, you can signal your brain to calm down. Breathing is the bridge between your body and mind. It's the key to resetting your nervous system. Breathing techniques for anxiety. Technique 1. Box breathing. First up is box breathing. This is a simple yet powerful technique used by Navy SEALs to stay calm in high-pressure situations. Here's how you do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Pause for 4 seconds before the next inhale. Repeat this cycle for 5 minutes and feel your anxiety melt away. Technique 2. 4 to 7 to 8 breathing. Next, we have the 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique, popularized by Dr. Andrew Weil. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. This technique not only calms your mind, but also prepares your body for deep relaxation. It's perfect to use before sleep or during moments of high stress. Technique 3. Diaphragmatic breathing. The third technique is diaphragmatic breathing, also called belly breathing. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Take a deep breath in through your nose, ensuring your stomach rises while your chest stays still. Exhale slowly through your mouth. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation and stress reduction. When and how to use these techniques. These techniques can be used anytime, anywhere. Feeling overwhelmed at work? Try box breathing. Can't fall asleep? Use 4-7-8 breathing. Experiencing physical tension? Diaphragmatic breathing is your go-to. Consistent practice makes these techniques even more effective. You'll start noticing a calmer mind and more control over your emotions. The science behind breath work. But how does this all work? When you slow your breath, you reduce activity in the amygdala, the part of the brain that triggers anxiety. At the same time, your vagus nerve gets activated, which lowers your heart rate and promotes a state of relaxation. It's like flipping a switch from chaos to calm. Breathing techniques are a simple, free, and powerful way to combat anxiety. Remember, you have the power to calm your mind, one breath at a time. Which technique are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bliss for more content on mindfulness, healing, and personal growth.